With a built simulation, who could wait to actually see the simulation running? In this module, we are going to look at how to run the simulation. What is actually a simulation run? And can we run a simulation using different configurations? What is actually a simulation run? Simulation run is actually when we execute the build file after the make process. TomNet Plus gives us an extensive support to launch and run the simulations in a variety of ways. We could do single runs, batch runs, when we do multiple runs either on the basis of different configuration parameters. We could do the simulation run either in command prompt or in graphical mode. We could record the event log as the simulation runs, and we could also debug the simulation as it runs. TomNet Plus gives us a quick run support. For that, all you need to do is, in the IDE, go to the Project Explorer, select the project that you want to run, and click the Run button on the toolbar. Now, the way this project is going to run varies, depending upon where is the focus. For example, if you've actually selected the folder, and if there is a single ini file within that folder, it is going to run from that initialization file. If you have given the focus, or in other words, you've selected the ini file, it is going to use this ini file as the main starting initialization file. And if you've selected the NED file, the run is going to be based on the availability of the initialization file within that folder. This is how the Run IDE or the Launch Configuration IDE looks like. Here, in the main tab, it is shown to you an example of a simulation called QNet. In the name box, you see that the QNet launch configuration is given a certain name, that is QNet. When you press the Run button, it is going to run omnet.ini, which is initialization file, from the specified folder, that is /q.net. In case batch simulation runs are required, multiple ini files need to be provided. There is a provision in the launch configuration editor for that as well. In case there is just one ini file, it would be called omnet.ini, and it would just have run number r is equal to 0. It means that there is just one run. In case there are multiple runs, for example, you've created 5 runs, you could run them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 5, or in any particular order. This launch configuration also contains the directory. It needs to be defined, the place from where these NED files are loaded. Now that we are also through with running the simulation, let's look at how the results could possibly be analyzed.